If you have a dream and if you have the love for it, just keep working. Just keep doing it. Just keep enjoying it. There will be a lot of hungry days and sleepless nights. There will be a lot of situations where you have to look for hope in a hopeless situation. It is very hard. To look for hope in a hopeless situation is very hard. But if you do it consistently and hardly, someday you'll be sitting with your favorite actors. Someday you'll be sitting with the very people that admired you. Someday you will touch Mr. Kamal Hassan's feet, and within half an hour you'll get a Best Actor award.